welcome to Achu's Happy Learning. Now we are going to see about scaling. Scaling in cloud computing. Okay, what is scaling? Increasing of resources either vertically or horizontally. Let me explain what is vertical scaling and horizontal scaling. Scaling is done to increase the resources based on the triggers of CPU, memory or resources. The resources will be allocated and deallocated accordingly. So now let's consider vertical scaling. What is meant by vertical scaling? It is just adding of resources to already existing resources. Adding of resources to already existing resources. Like for an example, let me give a real time example. Now for just an example, now we are having a system in our home that the traffic is high, the performance must be increased. What will we do? We'll increase the CPU and memory so that the performance will be high. So we are having a resource and internally we are just expanding the existing resource. That's what called as vertical scaling. Vertical scaling is also known as scaling up. So the existing resource will be increased. It means vertical scaling. Then what is mean by horizontal scaling? Horizontal scaling means it's also known as scaling out, which means separately adding an resource which acts as an independent unit, like adding an additional servers. This is what horizontal scaling means. For a real time example, now if the performance of a server is very low, okay, maybe the CPU and memory utilization is so high so that the performance is low, instead of expanding the resources we separately create another server to support it as a single unit. That's what known as horizontal scaling. Nothing, just two types of scaling, vertical and horizontal. Vertical means existing resource will be expanded and horizontal means additional resource will be added so that the performance will be high. This scaling can be done automatically and manually. Manually means if there are certain criteria. While using in real time, what we will do now? We will have one VM and we'll have some VM scale set. Like we'll have many instances. For an example, now we are having any applications like web application for online purchasing applications like Amazon and Flipkart. Okay, now in the festival seasons, what happened? Obviously the number of users logging into the application will be so high, so the CPU and memory utilization will be high. That time we want to increase the instance so that the performance will not be affected, so that if many users logging into that particular system, that should not goes wrong or unavailable state should not come. So for that what they'll do now? Scaling. How can it be done? Manually. There are some criteria in some real time scenario. Let me explain you. For example, we'll just measure it by using a CPU and memory. We'll give a criteria like if the CPU percentage is greater than 75%, that time just increase the instance. That is a virtual machine instance means the same will be created and similar to the virtual machine instances will be created. Whenever there is a need, the instance count will be increased. Here now I will give a condition like 75%. So in case this CPU and memory crosses 75%, that means many users have logged in. That time the instance count must increase 5. Increase 5. Then okay, the festival season has gone. What happens to Flipkart and Amazon websites? The users will be reduced. We should not waste, no. We should not actually waste the resources. In case there are only 100 users and there are 1000 instances, the resources should not go waste. We should not pay the cost also must be reduced. That time what we will do now, another condition is there. We'll give condition like CPU and memory decreases is less than 30, that time decrease the instance by 4. So if we give this condition, what happens? Automatically whenever the CPU is less, that is the number of user is less, that time the count will be reduced. This helps to maintain the performance, or even the performance will be high if less users log in or high users log in. That doesn't matter. That's called scaling. Thank you. Happy learning.